Yay! Oh yeah. Huh?
Vroom vroom! Vroom vroom! What?
Come on.
Woo!
Come on. Oh. There you go.
And back down. Come over here. Come over here. Look.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
You okay?
Come here. Come here. Use the steps. Uh-oh. Do it again. Come on.
Do it again.
You just did it a second ago.
Come on. This way. Claire. Come over here.
Come use the steps. That grass hurting your feet?
There you go.
Get up there. Get up there. You just did it. You just did it a second ago. Uh-oh. Try it again. There you go. You did it. Go down the slide. Come on.
Woo! Getting your workout for the day or what?
You got that figured out. And back down. Whee!
You're gonna get a burn on going back down on that one.
Good girl.
He got some little monkey feet. See her little toes spread.
Mm-hmm.
Spread way apart.
Come on, you wanna go down this one? Come on.
I'm in jail.
Come on.
I'm in jail.
Woo! You can't climb back up that one by yourself.
I'm in
That one's too big.
jail. I'm in jail. Help, I'm in jail.
You're gonna prove me wrong. You almost did it. Come on, come over here and use the stairs. Over here, Claire. Use the stairs. You can't get back up that one by yourself. Come use the stairs. Get up the stairs. Come on. No, go up the stairs.
Oh, come on.
Having trouble?
I got you. Oh.